Hey guys, today let's learn how to use the text-to-speech on ClimpChamp. So if you guys are wondering how to use and do the text-to-speech option over on ClimpChamp, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and proceed with launching the ClimpChamp application on your browsers and logging onto your preferred Microsoft accounts. Now I have already edited a specific video on the past. I'm going to go ahead and use that for this example. But basically once you're here, in order for us to use the text-to-speech option, it is going to be located over here onto the record and create option. So just go ahead and tap on that, tap on text-to-speech, and then go ahead and proceed with typing in the text that you'd like to go ahead and say. And once that is done, you could also choose a preferred language, preferred voice, and also emotions as well if it is applicable, and also the pitch of the voice as well. Now tap on save. Once you're done, it is automatically going to be located and added to your timeline and ready for you to play and also be added to your video. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.